folks, we are in Manistee, Michigan. I am going to attempt to go through the Insta-Launch Campground and Marina areas and see what we can show you. It looks like there's a lot of residential type of places so far that I'm coming into. Anyway, that's pretty cool. It's right there on the water on Lake Manistee. Railroad tracks are right next to it, I can tell you. Hearse, that's kind of creepy. Somebody's launching their boat right there. Let's see what we can do here. There's a laundry, bathrooms right there to the left. All these spots right here are on the water. That is pretty cool. Not too bad. You get back over here more into the camping area. But like I said, there are railroad tracks that go right here by it, just to let you know that. There's a place for drinking water. There's a playground over here on the left, it looks like. Volleyball net. And if you got your kids already, you want to be careful with that. With the next to the train tracks. Not sure how I feel about that. Boat trailer parking. I think we're down toward the end of it down here. Bunch of kayaks. I guess you can rent kayaks. Or that actually, I think that belongs. There's a paddle sport. Yeah, Manistee Adventures. That's who that belongs to. All your sites are park on grass or dirt. Lots of shade. That's good during the summertime. You can bring your boat. Like I said, you have access there to the Manistee River Lake area right there that can carry you out down the Manistee River into Lake Michigan. So if you're doing that sort of thing, this would be a very good option. Like I said, getting down over here in this area looks like permanent trailers for the most part. Residential. Yeah, so it's private driveway, so that is definitely residential. But anyway, that is the Insta-Launch Campground and Marina. The water is up, but that is some cool camping that you can do right there on the water. Have your own little boat, your own dock, and everything. I give it props for that. Right, that's it, and we'll talk to you later.